Hello everyone to another tutorial of TechFixy channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to stop auto starting programs from Windows 10. So if you stop this auto starting programs on Windows 10, it will help you to speed up your Windows 10. So to stop this program you just have to go to your start menu, click Windows, then go to settings, click on settings. Then you'll have to go to option called apps, click on apps. Then in the left menu you'll find the option called startup, click on startup. Then you'll find a bunch of programs that install on your PC, and there's a toggle bar beside them. The toggle bar is for turn on and turn off. This will turn off the startup programs. So I have already turned off some. So you just have to go through any of these apps and make sure that you want to turn off the apps. So this will not start auto programs. This will stop the auto program starting from when you start your Windows 10. So go through all the program and just turn it off or turn it on. I have it turn it off. So this is it. This is how you stop auto program starting in Windows 10 from startup. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.